Hello everybody, this is me, Dr. Sergio Rovinski from Shoulder Planet, here from São Paulo, Brazil. I am very honored to be participating here from Wiroc, this lovely meeting organized by BOSS, Bombay Orthopaedic Society, and I invite you to see all of the videos that I have sent to this wonderful meeting and to learn the most you can with them. And if you have any doubt, don't hesitate in sending me an email. My email is sergio@shoulderplanet.com.br. I thank all of the organization of this lovely meeting, and I hope you have fun seeing all my videos, and Dhanyavad. Proper long head of the biceps intraoperative analysis is an elementary part of the arthroscopy, especially when we're talking about rotator cuff related problems. With the use of a probe, the surgeon must put the biceps inside of the shoulder in the glenohumeral joint, as we are seeing here, generally with the shoulder in abduction and external rotation. And with such a maneuver, a diagnostic maneuver, we can find degeneration and many other alterations like fraying and inflammatory processes and even tears that without this procedure would not be properly seen. Here we are seeing another case in a left shoulder, and with such a maneuver we are seeing ecchymosis and important fraying in the poly part of the long head of the biceps. And such maneuvers are very important for such diagnostic findings.